It's opening day of muzzleloader season, and I'm really excited because I think I'm actually going to get a break in this rain to start the morning. It's well into legal shooting light, but it's really, really dark still. And I just got drenched on my walk-in. I'm going to be looking around for a deer to stalk, but I'm trying to be ready because there's a bunch of trails right below me. So it could happen really fast and a deer could just come walking by. I just spotted a buck. He looks like a shooter if he comes. And I hope this deer comes this way. He's definitely the kind of buck I'm after. I see him. I think I got him. He came up to 30 yards. He was grunting, he came right towards me. That was freaking awesome. He wasn't a big, huge, giant buck or anything, but he's one that I'm sure happy to have. That's exactly the kind of buck I was hoping for. I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit and then walk over there. I'm hoping he's laying there dead on the other side of the hill. I haven't found any blood, but I'm gonna kind of ease over to the place I last saw him and see if he's either laying there or if there's some blood. He was acting hurt, and he also mule kicked like he was heart shot, so let's see. I went down to where I last saw the deer, and he was laying right there, but he was still alive. He was in rough shape. So I was easing around the corner to try to get a shot, and he jumped up, took off. So I think he's probably dead now, but I'm gonna take it real easy now. Go slow. Not a bad buck at all. Whew, one down. It just will not stop raining. Goodness. My mind was wandering while I was walking. I was thinking about the smiles back at camp waiting on me, and I was thinking about how I haven't eaten today and how I got a backpack full of meat.
Like a nice steak, and then flip them over onto that side, just try to get a sear on the other side.
I know, and that's why every kid has to get braces nowadays. The rain finally let up today. My brother Garrison got a buck last night. And it was still raining, but it was just like a light misting. We sat on a hillside and grunted a little bit, and this buck popped up out of nowhere right below us. He shot it at 25, 30 yards.
Big.
Awesome. Oh, there's a ton of blood. Yeah, this deer. That's a dandy deer. So we got some more skinning to do back at camp. Another one of our guys got a doe. So we'll get those all skinned up and quartered out, and then be heading home. Cleaning gear, drying everything out, getting ready for the next one.
Oh, those two hams are heavy.